got him some money. I said, pink. And he asked me, you know somebody works for us? I said, I know a good guy. He'll help you out. I give him my number. That's how we met. He called me out. He said, he said, I've been waiting for a mechanic for 2 years. The car is sitting on a yard. Wow. And I said, well, I'll help you out. He's going to start too.
No problem. We got a lot done.
I'm in the middle of moving. Podría salir y todo eso, pero lo tiene, te lo digo, pero
To see if she starts?
y después de he bought the Ford, y me siguió los que traigo. Wow. I told him, I said, my stepson, my wife's son.
Yo, out of the city. But they was asking, I think it was like 8,000.
Really? Yeah, these are going high. It's going high.
Yeah.
Will it run? Wait. Oh, shoot. Oh, man.
You got jack under this? Yeah, it has jack.
Okay, párate.
Ready? You let me know when.
Go ahead.
It's just, I don't think I gotta put gas. Give it some gas.
It doesn't move over here. You hit the gas?
Hello. I don't think I have any gas, bro.
Could be, yeah.
I see some in the filter.
Let me see. No, there's nothing in the filter.
I think there's a place up there where you take oil and gas is up there by
Yeah, we got no gas.
oh,
Keep going. I think you need gas.
yeah.
I don't see the filter. I don't see anything in the filter.
Yeah. Wait.
Hay que hacerlo bien.
That should be good. Again?
Y yo ahí.
Little more.
Fallé, hay que sacarlo para que te otra vez. No, tú.
Seguir el filo.
Tú me vas a hacer good. Yeah.
Push it out of here.
The brake up, the car is not even spinning.
Tiene los frenos blanqueados.
Yeah, brake, the wheel's
Por
not
eso,
moving.
por eso es que no se está moviendo.
Wait, this one right here.
Tiene los frenos blanqueados.
You need light? You want to pass me that? I had this car back the whole time. The garage door wasn't closed like that. I could have left it out here and I would have had more room.
Yeah.
The whole time I'm like this. Yeah. do you have W40? No? You know what? I used to carry some in my bag too. I got some right here too. Oh, there you go. Man. Praise God, boy. Everything is neat, I got it. And I got minimal stuff here. Yeah.
Yo, it's empty, bro.
Stop playing. I just gave the guy the glory, man.
Yeah. Yo lo cogí, le metí W40 por atrás y le metí los maconazos.
You know what a sledgehammer is? Like a baby one?
I got a big hammer at home.
Yeah. I don't have my tools here. Yeah. That's what you need for that.
On my square bike, the orange one, it happened the same thing.
Yeah, I remember he was holding the power. He was like, man.
Round 2.
Drag it.
No. Try it again. Oh yeah, that's moving. It moved. Yeah, it's good. It moved. It's moved. Yeah.
Check this side too.
Go ahead. Take a look. Yeah, it moved.
Move. Dale.
Yeah, poor starter.
It will help. You some flow. It will help. Spider is training.
Wow, poor starter.
Se va, yo creo.
You can move your car up, is? Yeah. Move your cars.
That poor starter.
Huh?
That poor starter.
Que haga la vuelta ahora a la guagua.
No, I moved my car here. I moved my car. El carril no se puede echar para atrás.
Le damos para atrás y él saca el de él.
Yeah, push it back.
You gotta get
I'm getting reloaded.
Yeah, you got spiders everywhere here, bro.
Yeah, they were living in there.
Yeah, right.
You got all kinds of animals living in this
Besides
car.
mice, we got spiders.
Yeah, hey,
All
everybody
right.
needs them home, man. Home prices are too high.
Oh, dale para atrás. Tiene que darle para atrás y buscar pan de ti un poco. Ahí, dale. Derecho, ahí. Derecho, derecho. Ya. You gotta put.
Alright, nos vemos. Nice meeting you. Cuídate.
Alright. We're all over. Alright, Buggy, you're gonna have some company. Here it is. Ghia home. I'm gonna give you a quick history about this 1970 Karmann Ghia. We did this car for our friend from church that wanted a VW, and we found him this car, and we was able to put it together, and this is how it looks. This was 7 to 8 years ago. And 7 to 8 years later, the car returns to our location. It will be getting some work done, and I will be making videos, of course. Alright, so we had some couple of pictures. This is when we first got the car. That's the owner that bought the car. This is how it used to look when we first got it. It had some primer on the top. So far it was in good shape. This was taken August 29th, 2015. Around this day, oh look, there's me. This is when we got the car painted at Mako. And this is when we got the car. This is when we got the car back from the paint shop. We did the two-tone. And Jack in the Box, huh? This is Dad working on it. This is and now this is how the car looks. This is when we finished it.